a time when neighbor would go out of their way, risk their lives even, to help another neighbor in times of crisis. In all fairness, there is still plenty of us like that, you know. A whole lot. But there is still too many of those jackals. Almost 10 of him don't open the shop yet. Sure.
Since I found him going like him more important than the Prime Minister. That's what I'm saying.
Slave. Not because this is the only shop in the area with a generator.
What you want me no say? Butcher never have no generator before the hurricane.
That's true.
What is that? It's after 10 in a man. What the shop, no man? Oi! What? Ease yourself, man. Yo, watch your
Nah, ma. Hey! What a terror that irony! Just as Ulster blow up clean.
Ain't that a shame? Yeah, but I mean, it was good to see everybody pitching in to help us save our furniture and other stuff.
Yes. Everybody was pitching in, alright? But it wasn't cats them was helping. Then it was themselves. Anyway, after the breeze, all she saved was the clothes on our back.
What you saying? Hey, hold on. Cass now almost blind and confined to a wheelchair.
Damn.
Damn cow like oils.
Pimp. Nobody pretend. Come here from reliable sources. Say, are you keep the wheelchair?
Just break the room upon me, no oil no more. Hey, Pimp. Me personally, see a tear down Brescian with a wheelchair in front of you.
See them?
Like in a pushcat derby. You said pass me so fast with the woman TV upon your head. Gosh, you never know you got time to see me.
I'm to see you.
Yo, the TV different, man.
What make it different?
What she do with TV? She not blind.
After nothing wrong with her ears.
So now that's why me leave the radio. Everybody better got them correct change.
Yes? What make you take so long to open up the shop?
I was adjusting the price list. Again? Every day since the hurricane scene price them adjust.
No, butcher man. The price is double.
And everything double. Oh! The price of bread triple. The price of soda triple. And the price of the saltfish fritters triple. Spring water.
Yeah.
Hot $30. Cool $150.
Hey, butcher. That's a highway robbery.
No. You about person should know that as supply fall and demands rise, prices excavate. They call that the law of supply and demands. Well, we call that price gouging. Oh, no, no, buy Mr. Chaplin. Oh, no, can't go buy Mr. Chin hot sinking there.
Butcher!
What is it?
$200 for one saltfish fritters?
And that is it on the board.
And the hurtfulest thing is, no saltfish no eat.
A lie! No saltfish in a for me saltfish fritters. So hold on. I salt me salt, so. For the 20 years me I buy fritters from you, me never one day buck a piece of saltfish in one of them. I don't know what is true. Sharp lack.
Your face split no mine.
Yeah, you know, sir, son, stay. Butcher, see your bills there. Give me a buckle of water and tomorrow you get the balance. Follow me. You see me sign out them housing trust? That means to say me not give no mortgage for me merchant.
Butcher, sell me a patty.
A patty? What? You buy patty from him?
Yes, sir. Since the hurricane, I don't eat nothing warm. My girl, you know hear the radio say you go on to buy meat kind from reliable sources. Yes, Mama.
Yeah, Pim. Yeah, what's up, man? You see me scary little black and white mongrel since the hurricane? No, man. Me not trust them patty there. But I don't know what is true. Sharp line. Hey, girl, I beg you take your tired body far from it here. You're so tired if you don't sleep on your bed at night. I am so glad that my time in this business is limited. I will soon become a very important man in this community. Yeah, we know. As soon as Noah turned doctor. Exactly so. As soon as my son Noah come back with his doctorate degree, no more shopkeeping for me.
Well, Noah might have become doctor, but you will always be a thieving, shopkeeping, ganja farmer.
Jezebel! Oh, no, so that girl want to get me in a trouble. Oh, no, your Shabalo told me I plant ganja. But everybody know that all I plant on my little lot of land up there in the mountains is winter vegetable. Back chow and all them things.
Hey, achoo! Hey, the night when Ivan passed through, me ear says, "Free from the friend them sit up in a butcher vegetable garden. I smoke off the wall I pop chow."
I shall tell you, sir. Hey, Norma, I don't want you to tell no lie for me, no girl. But is just jealous because there will still be nobody, and I will be the father of a doctor. I'm gonna pay for them, man. Just give them to me. Watch him. Don't know which part here, poor there. But the accent tick not up, Link. As I was saying, I will be the father of a doctor. I might even run for a cabinet seat. Cabinet seat? I must see the old cabinet where my brother back him and go sit down in I will shoot him. The area leader, Kingfish.
Well, one less to worry about.
Yeah, at least the girl picnic them can walk free at night time now. No, man. It's a human being I'm talking about it now. A smarty picnic.
That's true. But you see, I like say, me son Noah. Did ever turn out to be anything like a sprat? Me not lie. Me with a kill it. Kill it and hide the body.
But hold on. And when Noah go finish him doctoring studies? About 10 years now since him gone where?
Go. Don't make anybody know says on the Sunday school you did go. This month you make 5 years since him is away, so I guess him finished now. I suppose as soon as the airport open and flights begin to go out and come in again, he shall be arriving.
Then no, man. What? You and no one ever used to have a little egg thing over here.
Oh no, perish the tata, perish the tata. Oh, my son now is pure, him saving himself in marriage.
Yeah, afraid of woman.
It's alright. Besides, that was picnic thing. We's big people now. Plus, everybody knows that I am engaged.
Everybody's in the ring, but has anybody ever seen the man? And furthermore, my dear, you is no longer in my son Noah's league.
What do you mean by that?
You know, you're chat bad. That's a big thing, Doctor can't marry to bad talking somebody. You will embarrass him.
No, man. But hold on. Butcher. Now right down here with all of we born and grow.
Of course, idiot. But after 5 years of higher studies, I don't think my son now understand part one no more.
What happened?
Hiya! Me say if you can't speak, he smoky. You cannot chat to him.
The little district will have its own doctor.
Yeah.
We now have to go to the hospital when we get shot.
He will cure gout and arthritis. He might even raise up the dead.
Yes.
No water doctor. No water doctor. No water doctor. He's pure gem of society. He loves to all our we. In turn, real doctor. It only takes two to bring forth a son, but we all don't know it take a village to raise him. Could a rapist, thief,
A sniper with long gun.
but a good seed we sow, so come make we praise him. Make we celebrate, for no one turn out great. Yes, no one's on doctor. No one's on doctor. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Hey! This can't be a celebration!
Yeah.
Tell me a red stripe line!
No, darling, it not sell by itself. It married to bun and cheese. That's not right, Papa. I would have.
bless.
But times change the way. Once upon a time, doctors it used to have to come there here.
Papa, I is not a doctor, Papa.
You and you is what?
Ras Noah, bless.
Poor thing! Study ration money!
Me mean, where you go to university go study?
I and I never go to university, Papa.
You go to college. Tell me say a college.
I hope a Warika heal me today. Hey, Butcher, me know a good place where you can hide the body.
No, I know so it mean. It means say Warika Hills University. A Washington him go. Don't it, son?
I mean, Warika in off a Mountain View Avenue.
The 5 years?
Yes, Papa! On my way to the airport, I get a different calling.
How call you?
Jah! Rastafari!
So where him a call you for?
To be his messenger.
Messenger? No, a messenger. You know how much gun winter vegetable. No, you know what winter vegetable I had to sell to find your foreign living expenses and your plain beer for your ton somebody messenger.
Many are called, but few are chosen. I am the chosen, Papa.
Chosen for what?
To save my people.
From what?
Evil!
Yeah!
Wickedness!
Yeah!
Envy!
Yeah!
Bad living!
Yeah!
Nastiness! Price gouging!
So Noah, where do we got that money make you for your foreign living expense?
But Papa, when I live in America, I live in Jamaica, I don't see no eat.
So you yam the plane fare too?
They won't give me a refund. That dead. But that's how the Babylon system set up.
Yeah.
He set up to bring down the black man.
Yeah!
Jah! Rastafari!
Kuya.
Boom, boom. But we all don't know one never could stop creating. In Pupa Kobe, in Mama Cell. So a bad see them, so him own granny did hate him. Them fit take the blame for no one make we shame. No one turn Rasta.
Rasta put we life in a crisis. Believe me, we troubles just start. Top how we pile, we goat, we arthritis. Now policeman one make we.
He might look so, but him still know things. Tell him what you learn now. After 5 years, you must know enough things.
We haven't stopped fight against ourselves. The white man a fight against the black man.
Yeah!
The black man a fight against the black man.
Yeah.
How can the black man win?
Right.
Them don't like to see the black man prosper.
No!
Them don't like to see the black man step up in a life.
No!
That's why they assassinate Malcolm X.
Yes! That's why they shoot Denzel Washington. Kill him dead.
When that happened,
I just did that here. Me see that a carry, but
Papa, that's a movie.
yeah!
A real life me a deal with.
Yeah!
Like how them thief with land.
Yeah!
Like how them thief with culture.
Yeah!
Like how them...
And thief out Lara 4 times in a one series.
Papa, right? Papa, done. They don't like to the black man step up in a life.
No!
But like the great Martin Luther King said.
Yeah!
Like he said.
Yes!
Bad man don't bathe with a baby mother rat. Please.
Yo, babe. Yeah, what's up, man? Poor thing is, the little fellow mad.
Noah, remember me?
Flesh! I cannot be contaminated by flesh. Jah! He sent an angel unto I in a vision.
Sure sign of madness. Him start see dopey. He never said dopey.
But he
He say angel.
One sweet like a black sistrum with long flowing braids. She had on a low-rise jeans and a butterfly tattoo right here. She said that Jah wanted I to perform a miracle.
Miracle.
She said that I was to lay down in the middle of Hope Road and make a speeding Tata run over I.
But why?
Don't ask I don't know why.
Alright. In mad. I'm on my side of family. Take it out.
Maybe if I emerge unscathed from this ordeal, then one will believe that I am the chosen. It is time for I miracle.
We're off to finish. Yeah, man.
No, but I really have to make him do it.
My girl, from my barn I never witnessed a miracle yet. Me can't miss the one.
Don't do it, son.
What do you mean?
Don't do it.
One hour.
Him dead now. And that was how Noah came back to us. Well, he wasn't exactly unscathed. Him spent 6 months into the orthopedic ward. Him 2 hand and him 2 foot action. See a line, he chopping I nose wall. And tube, I come out of heaven. Crevice. I'm body. But him never dead. I always knew that Noah was special. But still, that miracle wasn't about to convince anybody that him was the chosen. For let's face it, anyone who could have laid down in front of a Tata minibus, make it broken up. Anyway, that was just the beginning for Noah. The next visitation from this kettle angel, she told him to confront the Ariadan, kingfish, and order him to flee the community by 8. Me not have to tell you the outcome of that. Trust me, it wasn't pretty. Kingfish banished Noah and him papa from the community. After him and him cronies beat them to a pulp. So Noah and Mass Butcher took to the hill.
Sure.
Noah!
Quiet! Noah, me bring food.
Listen, Noah. It's not that me pressuring you, see. But you don't plan to try and find a job.
I is doing Jaja works.
Yes, but you have to try and find a better paying job. Because it's for your happy time.
Me never ask you for nothing. Jah will provide.
Okay. I just seem to provide a vision. You show them bit and the other nightmare. And me tell you bit up and them heavy food at night time before you go to your bed. I know what the backside is this. Know what you are do.
Papa! The angel appeared unto I 3 weeks ago again.
Same damn thing.
She said that Jah needed a hark. A big hell of a hark. So, I get me there at Joy Kitch.
Hark! No, what this no look good. That is why people have it to say,
Papa! Why do men say I am mad, Papa?
when it all started, the day when you come down,
Descended.
yes, the day you descended down from half our Rica Hills, I'm only down in front of the Tata bus. I make you walk some member.
To prove to the unbelievers that I am the chosen, Papa.
And as soon as you come out of the hospital, that same angel come back to you again. This time wearing a see-through blouse.
And a navel ring in our navel.
Yes.
And a micro mini kitchen.
Yes, yes. And tell if you go drive king fish from out of the community.
I remember.
I get some kick and gun, but that the day there.
Papa! Joe! I would have never take the beers.
Your wife will kill me. Your mouth will kill me. But me not gonna go. Tell me something now. Send 7 people to them same thing there.
Papa! Papa. Well, no. Me just think your head go and come. I know I'm worried that one day it might go. I don't go back. Papa, do you believe that I am in communication with Jah? Do you believe that I am the chosen, Papa? Oh yes, Noah. You must be chosen. Because you are the first human being me see fly. Like when the tartabus clap you. And so you take off. Alright! Me think today. Oh. Have you hear that? Hear what? You hear somebody say, Noah! Noah! Speak, Jah! Thy servant hear it. I tell you what, me a believe. Because maybe you and Jah want private. Papa! Papa! No! Him no there! You just miss him! Oh, God. Yes? Jah! Ras Noah! Yes? Who you?
I am called by many names. I am the one.
Which one?
I am he.
He who? Hold on! Me recognize her! And she tell me to go lay down in the middle of Hope Road.
Me never tell her Hope Road. Me tell her Hope River.
And she said to make a speeding tata run over me.
Me tell her to make the healing water run over you.
Well, kiss me.
What? Obeying my words without question was proof of your faith. You passed that test with flying colors.
Yeah, you're right about the flying part. So what? And you tell her to come tell me, you can tell the ear leader, say he must flee the community by 8.
Free the community from hate. You have to see with Rachel. She's a work in progress. Noah, what is this? What you doing?
What me doing? Then, me not try catch the head of a hawk. Where she say you want?
Huh? Why you won't open your ears and listen when people talk to you? We never say nothing about Hark.
emotionally mad, positively mortified, a master plan gone bad. So I will pour with a might, a torrent from the skies. For 40 days and 40 nights the waters they will rise. So build an ark, Ras Noah, build an ark.
Build an ark.
Build an ark, Ras Noah, build an ark.
Build an ark.
Build it right, this big boat. Make it light so it floats. Make it 30 cubits to the top, 50 cubits wide, 300 cubits front to back. Tar it in and out. Build an ark, Ras Noah, build an ark. Gather creeks great and small from places far and near. If them walk, swim, fly or crawl, gather them in pairs. When other living things have died, you and that precious few, when the mighty rain subsides, we'll begin anew.
Boss!
Come here, come here, come here.
Boss! No disrespect, see? But if we do this, people are gonna say me mad.
Well, Noah, no disrespect, but people already are saying man.
That's what I want, boss! Boss! Why me? It's nothing but a broke up, dirty little Rasta boy.
Achoo! You dirty!
Oh yes, on the outside you're dirty,
Alright, you don't have to pressure it, so.
but you're clean where it matters, in your heart.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
Yes! Thank you, Father!
You're welcome.
Blessing and honor and glory and power be yours forever and ever. But boss, me no know about that thing, you know.
You're gonna build the sitting or not?
Yes, boss.
Good.
We can't give you an estimate by Monday.
What?
You not pay you for build it? You're doing this for mankind.
Yeah, but I really like that mankind, but they sitting can't build up money. I wonder if him know how much a foot for local cedar.
Get to work.
Papa! Papa!
Here's one of a kiss me. Hallelujah.
You love me, Papa?
Noah, you no broke up again.
And I'm not sure, Papa. It's a miracle, believe me. Answer me, Papa. You love me.
Of course me love you, Noah. You know that. You is my favorite son.
Papa, me is your only son.
And I will always be there for you.
Really? Verily, verily, I say unto you.
No, I'm verily mean.
Man, that sound nice. Verily, verily, I say unto you, before the cock croweth, thou shalt deny me thrice.
I will never deny you thrice, Noah. Never. forget the last time when we go into town, how them beat we, how them battle we, how them nearly kill we.
So, Papa, who is afraid of little beating and stoning?
Me.
Papa, I survived the speeding Tata. You think I'd be afraid of a few stones? They stoned Stephen. They stoned Christ. Them even back to that blind man as king. Them not like to see black man step up in a life.
No, I can't.
That's why they framed Marcus.
Lord, no one go back in that.
That's why they imprisoned Mandela. That's why they sent Rosa Parks to the back of the bus.
And that's why them send you to go lay down in front of the bus.
Papa, I have to warn my people.
Then now you no can't call them. Everybody no got cellular.
Papa, I have to do this. I have to go.
Well, God go with you, my son. Because me not go with you.
But Butcher did go with Noah. Cause when all is said and done, you know, blood is thicker than water. So Noah went into town to warn the people that if they didn't change them evil ways, God was going to let go his wrath upon them. And you know, if you really think about it, it's not so far-fetched. But remember a time when God did reach such a state of fed-upness. You know, if the words I'm using is too big for you, no? Just stop me and let me know. Yes, God did reach such a state of fed-upness. It's the Jamal section sitting right. With the way how mankind was living, that he was determined to wipe them out with a mighty flood and start afresh. And when you look at all the wickedness that is going on today, how far could God be from that same state of fed-upness? Think about it. So Noah and Butcher and enough these guys went into town to warn the people about the impending disaster. Then hi, Mrs. Why feel forehead knit up so when you hear me use the word impending? It means imminent. Unknown official for it.
Rock doors! Jah! I see that wickedness of mine is great, and that the intent of his heart is evil continually. Well, time catch up with Uno.
Noah?
Noah, him still alive.
Noah? No, man. From the way how we brought him up, him couldn't have the heart to come back down here.
This is a warning! Repent! I come to war against evil. I come to war against wickedness. I come to
Born against bad living.
Brethren,
Go home to your wife
wife and pick me. Stop bleach your road and wait until Coco down to that walk.
Hey, mad boy. We never want enough to come back down here.
I do not listen to the words of many people. I obey Jah.
Weird! But him never come again.
Hey, it's Wagwan.
Now the one Noah, all I walk straight here now.
What? A long time me telling you, say that boy, you walk up behind you.
You is a wicked woman. Why not tell your wife and the truth? I'm ready. You're really cool no moon way. Two black people can't try to pick me. Check yourself.
Now! Make we stoning!
No, man. It may be strange, but I still smell it pick me. I'm going to get some licking down. No, man.
There shall be a mighty flood.
And what you say?
It shall make Ivan rain look like a Sunday afternoon drizzle. And it shall wipe out all of mankind.
And let the woman then?
Mankind mean man and woman.
Quick, Noah. Tell them where I tell them I'm a believer.
I shall build an ark.
What? Alright. What name, sir?
One big hell of a same thing. And upon this ark, I will have 2 horses.
Yeah.
2 goats.
Yeah.
2 sheep.
Yeah.
2 mosquitoes.
And to Haga.
2 donkeys.
Yeah.
2 dogs.
Yeah.
2 percents.
Yeah, man, 2 of everything. We get the picture.
Now hear me. When you ready for stoning?
Oh, no! He's not responsible for the things he says, man.
Hold on. Who you?
Who, me?
Yeah. Oh, you are defending, sir.
Defend him?
Yeah.
No, man. I'm a tourist and I was passing and I see the crowd and I'm taking some pictures.
You're sure you and him is not family? You're resembling Papa!
Who, me? I've never seen that brother before in my life.
Yeah! You sure you're not one of the disciples?
An intelligent man like me will follow he that make an answer. Harmless, man.
All right. If you not one of them disciples,
Yeah, man.
see the first 2 of them. Kelsey.
That's the foolishness, no man.
Yo, my girl, go one side, man.
Yo! We say you be stone him.
Because we didn't want him. Now if he come back down here, and where am I wait for? Watch him come.
Achoo! They didn't warn you. Now if you come back down here, they didn't tell you what was going to happen to me. To you. If you come back down here, say you know what takes to. I said this. Papa! Who am I called, Papa? me hustle another sheet of zinc.
Wait over there, sir.
How you head feeling now, Noah?
Same way.
Well, now I'm sorry, but you was there, and your sister forced me to bring Ras Noah.
The first one. But the other 6 you fling for you on initiative.
But Noah,
And what about, I will never deny thee thrice, Noah. Never. Very well.
well, if not faithful disciple like Peter did deny Christ.
Yeah, but he never bust Christ's head.
Anyway, we run out of material.
Noah, when you start this thing, I may ask you where you go get material to finish it. You tell me Jah will provide.
That's right.
And so far, every sheet of zinc and every scrap support we use on it, have me a few slit.
It simply means that Jah is working through you.
Is that a fact? You know what? Give me my tool then. Just give me my tool then. And if we go to your matches with the Jah. You can't tell the same can go imply somebody else. Make me resign.
Papa! It shall rain for 40 days and 40 nights. How long can you tread water?
It's alright, Noah. It's quite alright. You win. Me go hustle some more.
It will not suit you.
We have to put a stop to this.
Yeah! It is the last sheet of zinc up on the rooftop!
Papa! A thief! You thief is zinc, Papa!
No, Noah. Me am go buy right till after I flood.
Papa, this ark was ordained by Jah. We can't use stolen goods and build it, Papa!
Noah, every day you send me to go get material, you don't give me no money. Which part you expect me to get it from? Make it. The only reason why I never do all of this, you know, I just because say me can't swim. Yeah!
Now when I try, hoy!
Whoa!
Jehovah Jireh! What is?
This is an ark.
Ark? So when he hide them on the tail.
Yeah!
We never say hark. Never mind, break it.
Hey! See me sheet of zinc that from up on the rooftop!
And a dead piece of boat, y'all. Did you put inside of a boat?
No, you ain't no
The great flood is at hand. Foolishness! Up to last night, me watched the weather channel. And the rain not there nowhere in the area.
How will you get your weather forecast from, fool?
From no tell them Noah. Do me a beg you no tell them. From God in tell them. God!
It shall rain for 40 days and 40 nights.
Oh, he have said.
And all living things shall be drowned, except those aboard this ark.
Then we don't see us there.
It's no use, Noah. They will not listen.
Hold the ears, boss. You can make them listen.
Who ya talk to? Yeah.
There is only one thing left to be done.
Give them a chance, boss. Them all got bad.
Him head gone clean now.
Noah, stop chat to yourself. Yeah. Because we can't take no No more beating.
Remember what they did to Ras Noah.
Yes, boss. But it is basically good people, boss. A true boss.
Oh, yes? Watch this.
Who you? No must you want a Ras Noah followers?
No, man. Them a get too enough now.
Yeah. Who you? Where you from?
Yeah. You can air people to chat to ya.
We say, who you?
And a man ya make me a walk straight.
Oh, no, still say I'm Obiama.
Well, make we see him over there.
I am what I am.
Noah. Noah, who him am?
I am the Alpha and the Omega.
You want a two somebody? Yeah.
I am God.
Blasphemy. Come on.
Well, him a must be Noah God.
Yes, and the God of Abraham and the God of Moses. There is only one.
Well, if you and God, you won't feel nothing when the walker piece the bone across your back.
Yes,
Come on, where's your shot?
Come on, now let's take it. What is this?
Oh, I forgive you, for you know not what you do.
Him out of order.
Oh yeah, me know what me do. Let me do it again, show you.
Let's go!
Hey, Mr. Man, if you're the one, explain your plan. Mr. Man, you torture us and will the Spain give you a thrill. Explain your plan. Mr. Man, you devastate the land. The suffering turn you on. If you're the one, explain your plan, Mr. Man.
Couldn't you guide our reggae boys dribbling and passing? We can accept losing abroad, but you met Panama give us a hassle. Right in our own backyard.
Was that your plan? Oh, Mr. Man. Mr. Man, Mr. Man, Mr. Man.
We cricket team weak, we hardly win a match. A years now everyone a lash with. But how in God's name you just sit down and watch the England team whitewash with.
Was that your plan? Oh, Mr. Man. Mr. Man, Mr. Man, Mr. Man.
How we prayed about that US election is not that Kerry is with friend. You know how much you set back this your region by making Judge Bush win again.
Desert we.
That she said.
Why you think Ivan Yai turn way so sorry?
Everybody knows that. It's because JPS lock off the door.
Yo.
Ivan couldn't sit nowhere when I come in.
Come on. I don't believe that this man is who I'm saying is. This man can make thunder roll.
God, roll thunder.
Well, me, I must say God too. Because me can make the stars appear. Don't you see stars when my box you little while?
Yo, make this be a lesson to honor.
We don't want no more of Funo kind down ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I rest my case, boss. I know all of this case, boss. It's just a few excuses, Noah. Excuses.
But boss, you know can make all of us good if it's really
The choice of evil over good was theirs. And so are the consequences.
But boss! Alright, now better get vexed. Make I look like every time you get vexed, that's what's a lightning and thunder.
Finish this arc. There is very little time. The rains are afoot.
The rains are afoot.
Papa,
Yeah?
this don't look good enough, Papa.
No, this look like 70 rain start to drop in, I go stop.
So, Papa,
Eh?
how far you think the rain is?
Also.
How you know?
You know what the boss man say? The rains are afoot.
It is time to load the animals. Now remember, we have to select the healthiest pair of each animal. Because it will be their responsibility to carry on the species after the floods.
Right.
So when I say I want to hear the chickens, I want to hear some powerful clucking and crowing.
That's right.
From everybody. Hey, make everybody rehearsal now. Let me hear everybody crow. Crow in here now. Alright, now we will select the healthiest pair who will not only be rewarded with a place on the ark, but we also have a few goodies to give away. For example, we have what we call a squeeze ball. Compliments of red stripe light. You know you're under stress and you're under pressure. All you have to do? Squeeze. Yeah? Temperature, you're ducking so you catch it. Alright, we also have some phone cards. Oliver's foreign card. Now this is the easiest and cheapest way to call foreign using a landline. No, I'm not feeling that one here. Alright, so the first meat kind we'd like to hear are the chickens. Because you know we Jamaicans can't live without damn chicken. So let's hear the chickens!
Catch them, no one catch them. 2 by 2 we need the chickens. Catch them, no one catch them. 2 by 2 where the chicken by 2 where the chicken by no one catch them, no one catch them.
talking.
Noah, you have to be very careful, you know.
Amen.
Because them have some strange chickens in their tribe.
Amen.
Noah, me sure me hear some hens over there so I crow.
Papa,
Eh?
where's about the rooster right here, so Papa?
No, sir. Him look like him have yards.
Papa!
Eh?
So a nice chicken right here, so Papa.
Noah, that a no chicken. That a fowl. Noah, fear meat can't charge. Fear meat to that fi go greater.
Where the chicken them there? Where the fowl them there? Turn around and make your sound. Clapper! Clapper! Now we need a rooster. Come, rooster. Come, my man. Come, my man. Walk up, walk up. All right, stand up right for the one that can look shorter. Stand up right here, so turn around, face them, make your sound. Clap him! Clap him! All right, now we need to hear the goats.
Imagine go dance with a Chris new daughter and can't even buy her some manish water. So this is
Noah,
Eh? All right, selection time.
Noah,
Eh?
remember now, you know,
Eh?
they ram me off the rank.
Chop Papa, do better than that, man. Papa,
Hey,
that are the living Rami.
Noah.
We know him better look no further. Clap him, clap him, clap him. Now we need a nanny. Where the nanny them there? All right, we have a nanny, we have a nanny. Come, nanny, come. Stand up right there, so nanny, come. Face them and make them hear you. No, hold on, man. God, a nanny has sound like she have fits. Make me hear her again. Come again, nanny. Clap her! Clap her! Clap her! All right, now we need to hear the cows.
We need a cow.
Papa!
Hey.
All right, selection time. Papa!
Yes.
Where's about that bull right here, so Papa?
I don't know what I mean like on your island shine. I think he must suffer with mad cow disease.
Now, man, you don't see the bull in the bull place, sir. There are bull back there, sir. Come, bull, come. I the bull that's rightly, man. All right, let's clear him now. No. The people say no, you have to do better than that. Papa!
Hey.
Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
Where's about that St. Elizabeth red right there, so Papa?
Noah too maga. All we could have done take fear meatball soup.
Papa!
Yeah.
Papa!
Yes, Noah.
Papa!
Yeah.
No, why she's back? Hello, let me see you now.
Papa!
Yeah.
That look like a good one, Papa.
Oh, mamma mia! Noah!
Eh?
She look like she don't give no flair.
Clapper! Clapper! And clap all my animals. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, Papa, that look like it now, you know.
What I don't know.
Huh.
I don't know what symbols. Noah!
Ah,
Noah, me notice say you see the call quality animal, but me not see you choose no hog.
Papa, me say, no, Trenton accompany I and I are.
So, hold on, Noah. After the flood, no hogs not going to be there.
Exactly.
So Noah,
What?
how? No. I go manage when no man any clam pigtail to put in them soup piece. Or some jerkers.
Hold on. My girl, hold on now. You're forgetting one minor detail.
What up?
After the floods, Unu na there neither. Yes. The rains are upon us. Hold on. And where will I go? This is not a free for all. Jah said I must only choose a wife.
All right, you hear? The whole I wanna take care.
Noah,
What?
Umbra wife, so I'm to your poopa. After all this operation, me and I go see Kayo.
All right. Come, Papa. For my wife, I choose Norma.
Hi, Mrs. You know, she say you get him blind. Nama, where are we at, Pan?
I'm already engaged to somebody else.
Nama, please to stop the nonsense. You've been wearing that football engagement when you were 14.
Till it all change color.
Nama, you're not afraid of rust is in the blood poison, yo.
All right. Now I will know the ark with the bigger animals, like the elephant.
Noah.
What is it,
You
Papa?
ever stop to consider, you see, how we have to feed all of them and preach every 40 days and 40 nights?
Jah will provide.
When
man, they got calls up a shop on the ark.
And who will support you?
It's only Judge's chosen few that are going to be aboard.
They know I even Judge has chosen few now feet.
Suit yourself.
And another thing.
What is it, Baba?
When this ark load the animal are ready to go deedy. I want to go clean it.
That's why you are my helper, Papa.
Well, if him thinks them you go walk back all them the animal they and clean up, I would have prefer drown. I wonder if him ever smell fresh puss doodoo.
And then the skies opened up, and down came the rains. It was a deluge. That mean heavy rain. At first, the water covered the sidewalks, and then the fences, and then the rooftops, and eventually the trees, until there was nothing but water, as far as the eyes could see. Nothing but water. And Noah's Ark, steady like a lizard pan a limb, on top of the water, just a bob and a weave, like Cassius Clay. But inside the ark, all was not well.
All right, when you can't come out now, then gone to bed. When you come out, then gone to bed.
But him done say you come out in on the killer.
I say I don't want the nice on the ark. You just keep it. Listen up. Hold on. Hold on a bit. Hold on. I want to come up on the people. Hold on. Hey, look here. Hello. I cook a little food. But me not trust. So, I don't know got no money. I go drink dirty water out of the door. Let me tell you now. Oh. Me no want to know that keep on the ark.
Hey, the rain you're coming like Satan now, gonna stop falling off.
Yeah, a 40 days it's a born now.
Hey, Butcher, it's a good thing you sneak way on top board, you know. Cause me no know how would a money.
Hi, you still owe me a bills.
Butcher, don't do me that. You don't know say me can't pay for that.
Hey, Butcher! Sorry, man. We have funny menu today.
A cow tongue.
Yeah!
And please, me begging you, no, please to swallow quiet.
Hey! Hey! The ark you're boring in.
That's something like it.
Yes, sir. This is not for me lifestyle at all.
But go find your band, you have no lifestyle.
Pimp, you know the music. Want some music, man?
No, we don't want the music on the ark. Because if you go play the music too loud and wake up now and him in farmer wife.
Hey, Butcher. Me know why you go on like on a pier with pier coming here, you know.
Listen, no want the music on the ark.
I told you no, Butcher. But nobody come go like say a free ride.
Come in, say if you can't the music come inside now. You never hear what now. Watch now.
Papa, what exactly is going on here, Papa?
Well, Noah, we were just in a little chaka-chaka ring.
Papa, what's so much people are upon Hark, Papa?
Noah, I don't know. Noah, I think he stows away, them stows away. Noah, make me throw them overboard.
Hey, what a wicked bro!
Butcher, and you speak round for more.
What you true, man? Are you cut a hole in the back fence?
Hey, in charge with 3 bills and let's win round at the bar.
It's on the chat so much.
Papa, how much of them sneak on board, Papa?
Well, Noah,
All of it.
Yes.
Everybody on the island.
Yes.
The whole island? Hold on.
And what smells so?
smell like how? Like food? Cook food?
You believe me now, Ras?
Papa, when you asked me to go and open like a cold supper shop on the Hark, me never have a problem with it because me figure say it's light as you be selling. But when the strong smell of chicken foot soup lit me last week, me get suspicious.
Ras, it's days I noticed the 2 fowl them sit down in the fowl cob, not moving.
Why ever me lift up with 2 chicken then? The 4 foot cut out clean.
Well, Noah, I don't know a thing about that. As there is a...
Papa, try remember where they are, alright?
All right, Noah. But after me no cut off nothing off of the animal, them what them can't do without. But after all, 40 days we dey on the Hark, and enough away, and we have to eat.
Papa,
Yes, Noah.
we'll serve for lunch Sunday, Papa.
Noah, me don't remember. Oh, I think it's I think a parrot.
Lie! A oxtail and rice and peas.
Oh, you can't chat so, girl.
I never satisfied with the count here. Oh no. Yesterday, when me see the count me. And I go so. And no move now come out of them mouth. When we check, the cow tongue them gone.
Ras, that calm down with some yam and banana and serve for lunch today.
I should have for your tongue, me calm down. Then you would not chat so much.
Papa, how to have this for the Hark?
Hard? No, what me do, no.
Them a must is toes away.
No, I don't know a thing about that. As there is a... All right, now, I'm going to sneak them on.
While ago, this is the two little pigs. Not here.
Noah, that boiled down neat in some stew peas and rice and serve Tuesday.
You're not to ask how she knows so much. Because she knew most of it. Up to the very bone she chop and swallow.
I lie, Noah.
Right now, the two little pigs mark down like whiz. Frustration I kill them.
Noah, they must hear the rumors that his jerk pork him advertised for dinner Saturday.
What? Rumors now, that's what it is, rumors.
How do you expect these animals to multiply under the stress
And frustration. Hey, somebody give him something to drink.
Hey, you're not going to stand the whole night in that dog, you know. Come on.
Noah.
dogs? This don't taste like water.
A what?
It tastes like
A kokatsu.
Papa! After you relieve the cow of him tail and him tongue, you really need go back for him. Cow cod soup, Papa.
Look at it this way, son. It could have been worse. It could have been tripe and bean.
I am warning you, do not partake of that man's dirty pot. No. Or do damn licky. I'm sorry, boss, but I've expressed myself. My heart heavy.
Ras, I hear that what him do to these poor animals is nothing compared to what him have planned for your own goat.
That's what him think. This Rami not leaving my side.
No.
I will defend him with my life. Rami? Rami? Rami?
Well, the rain's finally done. But pillows and skirt, water, everything flat.
Hey, man really don't have no power enough. A God of the power.
Yes.
Yo, we really have to stop and check the way how we living, man.
We have to stop loot.
Yeah.
We have to stop shoot.
Yes.
We have to stop rape.
Yes.
We have to stop rob.
Yes.
And we have to stop overcharge poor people.
Yeah.
is what so much people doing on the ark?
Well, boss, it's a long story still, you know.
Well, let me hear it. Me not have nowhere going. You mean you deliberately disobeyed my instructions, Noah?
It's not Noah's fault, sir.
No.
It's... Butcher, come on.
Come on, the butcher man. Say something, man.
Go deal with the thing, man.
Papas, come on, man.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's not really Noah's fault.
No.
It's... I beat them, beat the gears.
What are you talking about?
Well, if I tell I found me, I tell I found me, I tell full
It's a lie. A lie. A butcher. Butcher tear a coat in the back fence and let in everybody.
Yeah, a true man. Them charge me 2 bills.
2 bills.
Yeah, man.
Then how comes that 3 bills you charge me?
Me charge by the pound. A lie.
Boss, me never know nothing about that, boss. Ask God.
So the whole purpose of the exercise has been defeated. You leave me no choice. I will have to send another flood.
Please don't say no more.
And this time, I will choose the survivors.
No, boss, give another chance, no, boss.
Hey, we learn, we listen.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yo, God, man. This guy cut the damn twang. The experience that changed my life forever. Trust me.
Is that a fact?
Oh, yes. It is a fact. It is a fact.
Butcher, kneel down, no kneel down.
Oh. I was never to realize say what I feel me too unique and then tear after. Only thing it is if you bend down for 40 days and 40 nights, I clean up animal down. Yeah, only thing it, oh, me going down, me going down. Oh, say me going down. Take care of me. I said take care of me. God, God, God.
Nothing has changed.
Yes, Master. Everything changed. Ask God.
Used to roll with a gun, with no bling bling pan him. If a red eye gal bright and look pan him, me woulda acid that right pan the spot, and me wouldn't even run. When our face they drop a ground, who would have thought there was someone more mighty than me? More mighty than me, more potent is he. Sinners must answer his call. His breath like a storm can cast us asunder. He tosses the breeze and he talks to the seas. A whisper like thunder tells them when to rise and when to fall. For he's mighty, mighty, more mighty than we.
Used to flex like a dog. Me face a mean pan it. When me park me Benz, a fool lean pan it. Me just cut that throat, just like a rammy goat. And me wouldn't even run. When the Babylon them a come, who would have thought there was someone more mighty than me?
More mighty than me,
Now look to the east.
How about that then?
The east. Over there, so. In the sky. What do you see?
Koya. Watch it, bitch, here, and I'm out to jam come back.
Boss, we see a rainbow.
No, Noah. I promise.
Promise?
Yes. I promise never again to destroy this land with a flood.
Yes!
The next time, I will use fire.
Boss, that woman is sir, boss.
No, we have to give account our life to somebody else.
Oh, yes! Now we know there is a higher power.
Yes.
Oh, yes!
So, things will be different now.
Okay. Now go and sin no more. Farewell.
All right, you take time. Yeah, go on.